Okay, rolling down US1 again. We're at Mangrove Mamas and the KOA and the junction of KOA Campground, the Southernmost Florida Keys KOA. Come join us at mile marker 20. We're gonna cross the Bow Channel fishing bridge and see if anybody's fishing. There's limited parking. This side's a better choice. The other side, you better be on the brakes and turning quickly or you'll miss it. It's right after the bridge. I gotta check this dude out. He's going into the marina. I can't get turned around here. I'm gonna watch him pull in. Yeehaw. The KOA Marina. This is a pretty good fishing bridge. It's really super duper low tide here. $225s on a catamaran. $225s on a caddy. Oh, he kicked up some serious mud there. Careful, dude. He hit it pretty muddy there, too. Oh. I would have my motors trimmed up if I was in here, but that's just me, because I know better. Okay, that's our tour of the fishing bridge.